Good day everyone. My name is John Rick Vicaliao and today I'm gonna discuss about the balance sheet. What is balance sheet? In financial accounting, a balance sheet is a summary of a financial balances of an individual or organization, whether it is be a sole proprietorship, a business partnership, a corporation, private limited company, or other organization such as government or not for profit entity. So kaning balance sheet muni ang summary sa mga financial balances gikan sa atong organization or sa imong business. So diri pod nakabutang tanan nimong mga financial balances kanang mga gipanggasto nimo, kanang imong mga kwarta ibutan ta imong cash or imong mga bayronon, diri na siya naka-record tanan. The term balance sheet refers to a financial statement that reports a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time. Balance sheet provide the basis of computing rates of returns for investors and evaluating a company capital structure. In short, the balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of what a company owns and owes, as well as the amount invested by shareholders. Balance sheet can be used with other important financial statements to conduct fundamental analysis or calculating financial ratios. Kaning balance sheet diri pod naka-record tanan nimong mga gipanggasto, tanan nimong mga financial basis, labi na kung nakay mga bayronon, nakay mga loans, nakay mga kaning mga trabahante nga imong gipangsweldoan, nakay cash nga madawat, na mga kaning mga utangan nimo, di hapon nimo na siya i-record para mahibalaan nimo kung pila tanan ang imong ma-income ana nga tuig tungod pod sa balance sheet. Di hapon nimo mahibalaan tanan kung makaginansya baka o dili. For example, diri na nakasulat kung pila imong mga nagasto. So makita po nimo diri kung pila tanan ang imong ma-income sulod sa ani nga tuig o ani nga year. So diri na mahibalaan kung nalugi ba ka o naka-income ba ka sa imong negosyo. A company's balance sheet, also known as a statement of financial position, reveals the firm's assets, liabilities, and owner equity. The balance sheet, together with the income statement and cash flow statement, make up the cornerstone of any company's financial statement. If you are a shareholder of a company or a potential investor, it is important to understand how the balance sheet is structured, how to analyze it, and how to read it. Kung usa ka shareholder or usa ka investor or bisan og trabahante ra ka nya ikaw ang gitagaan og task nga mo analyze sa balance sheet, ikaw ang gitagaan nga mag-record sa mga financial gikan sa inyong business. So importante kay nga masabtan og mahibalaan nimo unsa ang balance sheet, unsa siya ka importante, kay diri mahibalaan kung nakaginansya ba ta, nalugi ba ang company or ang business nimo. Kay for example ikaw isa ka owner ka sa imong business, anya di ka wa ka kabalo sa unsaon paggamit ang balance sheet, nya sige kang gagasto sa unsay maabot gikan sa imong business. So kung di ka mo gamit og balance sheet, wa ka kabalo sa pag gamit sa balance sheet, di ka kabalo kung pila na imong nagasto tanan, di ka kabalo kung nalugi na ka. Kay siya ka gasto, wa nakakabalo nga nalugi na day ka. So dako kay posibilidad nga mabankrupt na noon. So kung nakay balance sheet, kabalo ka mo gamit sa paggamit ang balance sheet. So pag gasto nimo, imo siyang i-record, diha ni may mahibalaan nga oy, lapas naman kung nagasto, malugi naman ko ani. So pud na kay ideya nga muhunong nakapaggasto para sa imong gikan sa mga kwarta sa imong business para di ka malugi. So dire ko taman, o ang musunod ang akong kauban nga si Michael Cutad pag-explain sa purpose and importance of a balance sheet.
So, okay, let's continue. Benefits of balance sheet. First, determines risk and return. So, magaila ni siya sa mga risgo sa imong business o unsa poy na hibalik or unsa imo ang na kuha og balik. So, first, a balance sheet succinctly lists your business assets and liabilities in one place. So, kaning balance sheet, diri man nato makita ang assets nato and also the liabilities. So, giusa ra siya in a one sheet, which is the balance sheet. Then current and long-term assets reflect your ability to generate cash and sustain operations. So diri nimo makita og imong mga current ug long-term assets o ga-generate ba siya og money. Diri nimo ma-figure out or diri nimo maila og kaning imo ang assets is really working ba siya or not, because you record it, you track it. Then, in comparison, short and long-term debts prioritize your business financial obligation. So, if natin mga debts, dapat mo na itong i-prioritize o hatagag pagtagad sa tuang financial nga muna siya gahatag o financial nga muna siya itong tagad o unang pagtagad sa itong financial business. Then, ideally, if you have more assets on your balance sheet than liabilities indicating positive net worth. So, if you are going to kanang muhatag og pagtagad sa imong usa ka business, dapat unahon nimo imong hatag unang pagtagad ang liabilities niya prior to your assets. Next, comparing your current assets to your current liabilities determines whether your business can cover its short-term obligations. If your current liabilities exceed your cash balance, your business may require additional working capital from outside sources. So, imo mabalaan na ang imo ang ganing business mura o mas nagdaghan ang liabilities niya kana atong mga utang or atong mga bayronon, makita nimo nga murag kulang ang money niya, murag kinahanglan ta og additional capital from outside sources. For example, when say outside sources, it's talk about, for example, you need more investors, something like that. So you are going to look for investors to invest in your company in order to sustain your business. Then number 2 is it can be used to secure business loans and other capital. Your balance sheet allows people outside of your company to quickly understand its financial condition. Most business lenders require a balance sheet to determine. First, if the business owner has strong credit history. Kung ang imo abang business na abay kagahapon nga dakong naabay imo ang business na abay mga utang before, dili man nato mailhan. Dili na to maila og kana day na company na aday dakong utang sa una, murang nabayaran ba nila or naglisod ba sila bayad adto, dili na to mailhan sa balance sheet. Second is how secure the business financial health has been over time. Ug unsa ta ka sigurado aning ilang business unsa ta ka sigurado silang business kay di buta pataka og invest if paglantaw nato silang balance sheet mura og gasuffer sila na sila kanang difficulties to manage or to handle or to manage a business when it talks to financial. Third is if the business has a strong track record of repaying debts. So dili na to mailan pud og kanay ba daing business ani himayad ba gyud og utang or kanang magbabayad ba gyud og utang sa kuan. Dili na to mailan og kuan maayo ba gyud ning pagka kumpanyahan ay ta mo render or more invest og money. So that's all and thank you.
So, good day everyone. So, today I'm going to continue discussing about the benefits of balance sheet. So, the benefit of balance sheet is comparing your current asset to current liabilities determines whether your business can cover its short-term obligation. So, this kani siya nagkumpara ko ni sa asset o kanang pila imong mga gasto para ma-determine kuno ang imong business kung makabar ba sa short-term obligation. So, if your current liabilities exceed your cash balance, your business may require additional working capital from outside sources. So, kung ang current kuno o liabilities nag-exceed your cash balance, your business may require additional working capital from outside sources. So, para nako ang pasabot nako ani guys, one, if ag imuhang liabilities nag-exceed gani your cash balance or nag-required kuno additional working capital from outside sources. So it can be used to secure business loan and other capital. So kini siya nagkinahanglan na gamiton para ma-secure imong business loan and other sa imong mga capital. So your balance sheet allows people outside of your company to quickly understand its financial condition. So nag-allow sila sa mga tao especially sa mga outside of your business para quickly para pagpasabot sa mga financial condition. So katong mga financial condition mora toy magpasabot nila og unsaon nila paggamit anang kwarta na ilahang gi-finance like for example kanang mulun ka og kwarta, so magpasabot na sila og money interest, money kuan, so sila rin magpasabot na. So most business leaders require balance sheet to determine. So kasagaran sa mga leadership sa mga leaders or leadership nag-require ko nun sila sa balance sheet para mabalaan. So, if the business owner has strong credit history, so kung makabalo ta og unsa ato ang history, like for example si X makabalo ta og unsa yang history, so ma-learn nato na ato ang kasagit niya. So dili nato na i-continue, dili nato na ibalik kay natay strong credit. So how secure the business financial health has been on over time. So giunsa nato ang business para makakuha og financial, for example health, like Apple Health, SSS, has been over time. So para nako, ug saktong trabaho, sakto pong sweldo, ug sakto pong pahuway. So if the business has strong track record of repaying debts, mo po nato ang ato ang i-secured ang business loan and other capital. So in addition, potential investors may use it to determine whether funding will go and when they can expect repaying. So for example, in addition, ang potential sa mga investors nagagamit kini sa pag-determine para makahatag og kanang kuan gani sila, kanang repaying, para mabalik nila ang ilang gi-invest na kwarta para mudaghan sa mga especially sa investor, para i-share nila ng kwarta na.
Therefore, we conclude that preparing and understanding your company's financial statements is an important part of being a small business owner. The balance sheet is particularly helpful in that it keeps both you and your stakeholders informed of your financial standing. Keeping this information updated can help you make better management decisions. In addition, it may improve your business efficiency, borrowing habits, and overall financial health. As what I have learned in this topic about balance sheet, for me as a student, balance sheet is very important when you are planning to have a successful business in the future. Because without balance sheet, your business is useless. For those who are listeners and readers about our report or topic about balance sheet, we hope that we can give you a lot of knowledge that brings you in your whole life. Thank you.